State true or false for the given statement. Many computers placed side by side from local area network. False. Those networks in which computers are very near to each other are called LAN. True. Computers in LAN can be maximum 5 kilometers apart. False. When computers of two cities are connected, they form wide area network. True. A computer network reduces the cost of computer hardware in a network. True. Second main, fill in the blanks. First one is a large geographical area connecting countries and continents. Second one, MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. Third one, full form of LAN is Local Area Network. Third main, answer the following questions in short. First one, which type of network is formed when computers of a shop are connected? Answer, LAN, Local Area Network. Second one, which type of network will be formed when computers of Delhi, Mumbai and Pune libraries are connected? Answer, WAN, Wide Area Network. Third one, which of the computer networks offers faster data transfers? LAN, Local Area Network. In which type of computer network computers are connected through public telephone lines? WAN, Wide Area Network. Review questions and case study. Page number 28. Answer the following questions. First one, what is the objectives of computer network? Answer, the main objectives of a computer network is to enable sharing of hardware resources like printers and scanners, software or data sharing, and facilitating fast, efficient communication between connected computers. Second one, give an example of local area network. Answer, computers connected within a school computer laboratory or an office building. Third one, give an examples of wide area network. Answer, the internet or the Indian Railways online reservation system connecting cities nationwide. Case study scenario. First one, is Mumbai railway station making use of standalone computers? Answer, no. Second one, is railway reservation department using computer network? If yes, then what type of network is this? Answer, S, wide area network. Third one, is Delhi computer connected to Mumbai computer? Answer, yes. What advantage Mumbai people can take if Mumbai computer is connected to Delhi computer? Answer, people in Mumbai can book, check status or cancel train tickets for routes originating from Delhi or anywhere across the country instantly without physically visiting Delhi. Exercise, page number 29. Write LAN, MAN or WAN for network shows below. Network scenario, description, correct answer. Shop, computers connected within a single shop store, so that is LAN, correct answer. City offices, a branch offices connected across the city, Delhi, Mumbai, Bhopal, Lucknow, MAN or WAN. Country offices, offices connected across countries, India, USA, Canada, Germany. Correct answer is WAN. Home, computers in guest room, living room, bedroom, movie room. That is LAN. Correct answer is LAN. Exercise page number 30. State LAN, WAN, both or none for the following facts. Fact, characteristics, visual icon, answer. First one, faster data transfer, rabbit and turtle, LAN. Second one, computers connected to each other through satellite. Satellite, answer WAN. Third one, data can be stolen, thief or security, answer both. Fourth one, computers connected using personal wire, cable wire, answer LAN. Fifth one, Resource sharing possible. Share icon. Answer both. Sixth one. Many people stop working because of fault in one computer. Stop icon. None. Or LAN in bus topology. My data deleted by others. Recycle bin. Answer both. Eighth one. Additional setting up cost involved. Money or currency. Answer both. Characteristics matching and descriptive questions. Page number 31 and 32. Join the characteristics with suitable computer network. Characteristics applies to network type. Computers connected to each other, both LAN and WAN. Data can get stolen, both LAN and WAN. Coverage area less than 1 kilometer, LAN. Coverage area more than 1 cities, WAN. Interconnection through wires, LAN. Interconnection through satellite, WAN. Data sharing, both LAN and WAN. Device sharing, LAN. Back trip ticket reservation, WAN. Write at least 2 sentences for each of the following. Computer network. A computer network is a group of interconnected computers and devices that communicate with each other. It allows users to share data, hardware, software, and information efficiently. LAN, local area network. LAN connects computers over a small geographical area such as a room, home, or office building. It offers high data transfer speeds and is typically connected using physical cables. Third one, WAN, wide area network. WAN connects computers across large geographical areas like cities, countries, or even continents. The internet is the most common examples of wide area network. Fourth, computer network advantages. Computer networks allows resource sharing such as sharing a single printer or internet connection among multiple users. They also enable fast communication and easy file transfers across locations. Fifth one, computer network disadvantage. Computer networks pose security risks such as unauthorized data access or virus attacks spreading to other systems. Additionally, setting up and maintaining a network requires extra technical setup and cost. Sixth one, computer network application. Computer networks are used in online railway airline ticket booking systems for real time transactions. They are also extensively used in internet banking, video conferencing, and email